Good afternoon. We are near the campus of RVC College, and MCA department has been conducted the inter-collegiate fest over here, and the theme is exception. Can you handle it? And they have given a nice punchline as a nurture of the nature for the future. And we have a cool guy sitting on the tree over here with this cool climate over here, and a celebrity over here. Can you?
Please, no photos, no cameras, please, no.
Please don't give too much amplitude. Just speak, okay?
Yes.
In which and all events did you participate in, and how do you feel about the RVC College over here?
Do I look like a participant?
Yeah, of course, I do so.
Sorry, you are mistaken, I am not participating. I have been called here as the chief guest.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for the valedictory function.
Then what happened?
Event is going on, that's why I am waiting for the valedictory.
And aren't all the participants, how they are participating?
Yeah.
Is it very competitive over there? And do you think this generation technical guys rocks?
Yeah, these new kids are very good. They have done really well in some of the events. I have been in an event called this guy's event. What was that?
May I know your name, sir?
What event you participated?
I'm Amir Khan.
Directly from Mumbai.
Okay, in which and all event did you participate?
Actually, participate in all the programs and we are expecting to get prizes first prize in every event.
Thoda loud.
Okay, congrats. And did you prepare for each and every event?
We are something different.
Born in talent.
We never prepare.
And
We
you
are
mean
born
to say
prepared.
born in
Yeah,
talent?
we are born prepared for everything. We can handle anything at execution. They have put an exception. Can you handle it? Yes, of course. We are here
And
to
you have
handle it.
proven you can accept, you can handle the
Whenever you get to know that what we have proved it, whatever you have said, we have proved it.
And
Just don't say, just do it.
okay, and the guy and the Sumit over here is telling that he has proved the exception. He can handle it over there. And we have a girl over here. And can you speak up?
You don't know me.
Oh really?
You don't know me.
She comes every day at your house to clean your wash.
Are you a celebrity of this college?
You are a journalist. I can fire it out.
I didn't find in any Bollywood actress in the thing.
I'm not an actress. I'm a chief guest. And you know they are boring me so much. So I'm
I thought I'm interviewing the students, but you seem to be like a student and celebrating.
Oh really? I'm looking so young.
You are really. What's the secret of your young?
That is a secret. Secret can't be told.
You can give it for us, no? Huh? At least I can be like you.
Enjoy the nature.
Okay.
And nature will give you the beauty.
Age.
Okay. And the theme is and whatever she is saying
Age.
is
What's her
and
age?
may I know your age?
Oh, लड़कियों से age नहीं पूछते.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Maybe
you
around
so much.
50.
Thank you so much, and I have one guy over there sitting cool and thinking deeply about maybe our girlfriend. I think so. Hello, sir. Hi. How are you? And may I know you are the students of this RVC college, or you are come to participate from the other college?
No, I am a chief guest from the college.
Oh, again a chief guest. I see. It seems very strange over here. I think all the celebrities are there in this thing itself. I think what I am assuming is all the students over here, but they are telling the celebrity. It's a wonder of the thing.
Okay.
Okay, may I know in which all events did you participate in?
No, I am a celebrity.
Oh, you are telling you are a celebrity, or just kidding a lot?
No.
Okay.
Why do you think like that?
Oh, celebrity. Okay.
You know
what
Shahid?
Shahid.
Yeah.
I am my
Dance.
cameraman doesn't know that.
Tell him to
Okay.
dance.
Huh?
Tell him to dance.
Okay, can you please dance for us?
Yeah, everybody knows I am a very good dancer. It's no need to show. I have a lot of talents, no need to show. Okay. So
If you don't show your talents, then it cannot be explored, or
Yeah.
you cannot.
then you can watch movie. I have done lots of movies. Okay.
Okay.
Go and watch.
Okay, fine. In which what's the upcoming project? What's the upcoming project? What you are doing?
Yeah, Three Rascals. Next movie is Three Rascals.
Okay.
It's my home production.
Do you have any girlfriends?
No.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course, 100%.
What friend Priyanka?
Or girls have not proposed you, or you have not gone proposed
I'm
anyone?
not interested in any girls.
He's interested in
nice,
boys.
interesting character over here who doesn't like girls in this thing, and I hope so you will be a bachelor in this life throughout his year. Thank you, sir. bye. And thank you, cameraman Sana over here and Faizan, camera person. Thank you.